I can't believe you've just gone and bought this. What is it?
Well, I didn't mean to buy it either, but it's one of those impulse buys. It's a Silvercrest hot plate from Lidl, and it was only £25. And I thought that you'd be unlikely to get even a single one for 25 quid. So it seemed like a good bargain. So I'm going to get it out of the box and see what it looks like. Polystyrene off. So if you were living somewhere where you hadn't got a cooker, this would be really good, and I think it makes a real difference to have 2 hobs instead of 1. You could cook anywhere with an electric supply with this. So we've got 2 knobs and power light. This one is 18 centimetres and apparently takes 1500 watts. This one is 1000 watts and it's 15 centimetres. And it's got little rubber feet on the bottom. Power cord is 1 metre. It's really light. Looks like it's very smooth surfaces, so easy to clean. And we'll have to plug it in and see how long it takes to warm up. But for £25 from Lidl, I think this is a good bit of kit.